Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you are new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. So I wanted to give you guys a little over a 2-week update of me using my Fenugreek in addition to the Mielle's strengthening hair oil. So a little over 2 weeks now. This is some of the growth that I've experienced since the last update that I've done, and you guys, I have to admit that I am very pleased. It is clear that I have experienced some hair growth, so I'm happy. I think all in all, it has been over a month, so the growth is real. Now remember, these videos are pre-recorded, so you guys are just now seeing them. But yeah, you guys, I'm so happy. You all know that the nape of my head has been problem area, so my hairs are growing back there. It's a little dirty because I took some braids out, just FYI. That's why I look like that. But yeah, I'm pleased thus far. As far as the fenugreek, and it's supposed to help with reducing gray hairs. You guys, these gray hairs are just sprouting all over the perimeter front of my head, but I am going to do my best to embrace it and love it. My baby hairs are growing back a little fuller. In fact, the hairs around my perimeter are doing really well. But to be honest, my hair throughout my entire head is really recovering pretty good, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, you guys, that concludes this follow-up. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.